press. The spring craftsman made this 500 carrying the spring. Is this huge object really a spring? But the giant hydraulic machine behind it still brought him a strong sense of security.
Which are we gonna nerf? Nerf out.
Okay, come sit down
There
first.
you go. Okay.
Sit down. And I'm just gonna put the, oh, it's not gonna even feel it. Ah. Okay. Okay. Now it's dangling. Okay.
Prepare for takeoff.
So if it fires. Okay, it's fires. Okay. Don't move. No, don't move your head. No, hang on. Mommy's gonna tell me. Hang on.
Ow!
Hang on.
Ow! Ow! It hurts! It hurts!
First what? Hang on,
When I
love.
pull it here, it already hurts. You have to
It's
close.
coming off already. Okay. In 3.
No!
2. It's off already. Hang on, Nathan. Hang on. Nathan. Hang on, look at me. 3, 2. Oh!
Yay!
See?
All done!
Mommy help you first.
Yeah. Okay, go. There it is!
Okay, guard up.
Woohoo! Smile! Let me see your teeth now. Wow! There you go.
You see? Cutie.
Good job.